I click it, nights in the bando, pirates whipping. Next day man started clicking. No boo and waitress tipping. Bad B, come and take this thinking.
Hello, my name is Sean, and today we're going to find what is the derivative of 2x plus 8 divided by 2 minus x. In here, we have a rational function. Let's go ahead and differentiate this expression. Use the quotient rule because we have a variable in the numerator and denominator and we can't simplify this expression. So here is the quotient rule. The derivative of g of x is multiplied by the derivative of f of x minus f of x multiplied by the derivative of g of x over g of x squared. Next, let's label what we know. F of x is 2x plus 8 and g of x is 2 minus x, like shown in the video. Before anything else, we must get their derivatives first. The derivative of 2 of x, or 2x plus 8, is 2, and the derivative of 2 minus x is negative 1. Now, let's go ahead and apply the quotient rule. First, let's start with g of x. The function of g of x is 2x plus 8, and multiply to the derivative of f of x, which is 2, then minus f of x, which is 2 minus x. Multiply to the derivative of g of x, that is negative 1, divided by g of x squared, and g of x is 2x plus 8, and square that expression. We have the answer right now, but we need to simplify what we have. Let's distribute and combine the like terms. Distribute 2 to 2x plus 8, so 2 times 2, that's 4, and negative x times 2 is 2 negative x. Now let's do the same to the other expression. Negative 2x times negative 1 is positive 2x, and so on and so forth. So next thing after combining and distributing them is to add the like terms. And now we are approaching our final answer. And our final answer is negative 4 over 2x 2 minus x squared. I repeat, the final answer is negative 4 over 2 minus x squared. And that is all. Thank you.
So for the integral, we should find the integral of 6 raised to the power of x dx. So for the first step, that would be the application of the constant multiple rule. So the constant multiple rule says that the derivative of a constant multiplied by a function is the constant multiplied by the derivative of the function. So first, we will apply the constant multiple rule, so that will be the integral of cf of x dx equals c, and the integral of f of x dx, wherein c is equal to 2 and f of x is equal to 6 raised to the power of x. And that would become the integral of 2.6 raised to the power of x dx equals to the integral of 6 raised to the power of x dx. So, for the second step, we will be applying the exponential rule. So that would become the integral of a raised to the power of x dx equals a raised to the power of x over ln a, wherein a is equal to 6. So that would become 2, the integral of 6 raised to the power of x dx equals 2, 6 raised to the power of x over ln 6. Therefore, that would become the integral of 2.6 raised to the power of x dx equals 2.6 raised to the power of x over ln 6. And lastly, we will be adding the constant of integration. So it will become the integral of 2.6 raised to the power of x dx equals 2.6 raised to the power of x over ln 6 plus c. So for that, the answer will be the integral of 2.6 raised to the power of x dx equals 2.6 raised to the power of x over ln 6 plus c. And that is our final answer.